So we have to find the incorrect statement of these of the following options. So first is interstitial compounds are those that are formed when small atoms like HC or N are trapped inside crystal lattice of metals. So it is a correct definition of interstitial compounds. So this is option is correct. So the second statement states that oxidation states of chromium in CrO42 minus and Cr2O72 minus are not same. So we know that oxidation state of chromium in these compound is nothing but +6, which are same. So this is not the correct statement. So we have to find the incorrect statement. So this is not the incorrect statement. So this is the incorrect statement. So we will also evaluate these two statements. So Cr is a stronger reducing agent than Fe2+. So this is a correct statement. So transition elements and their compounds are known for their catalytic activity due to their ability to adopt multiple oxidant states and to form complexes. So this is also the correct statement for transition metals. So only incorrect statement here is second statement. We will look at the answer. So correct option is option 2, which is because they have the same +6 oxidation state.